Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I'm going to share with you my brand new Antiquarian Sticker Book. This sticker book, titled Bibliophilia, is by Odd Dot Books. It has over 1,000 stickers. It is hardbound. It's got this beautiful emerald green background with gold embossing. It is just gorgeous. And this book was the first one they came out with, and I actually did a video on it. And I will link that video below, and I'll also link where you can purchase this at Amazon below as well. These books are gorgeous. They are so full of so much fun, so many cool stickers, and they also make great Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, any day gifts, a gift for yourself, anything. They are just beautiful. They look pretty on the shelves. Isn't that pretty? Not only are they aesthetically pleasing on the outside, it's the inside that you get to use and enjoy and decorate all kinds of fun things. So let's go ahead and take a look. Kitty. Okay, so these stickers, as you can see, they're very easy to peel off. Now this one has like sort of a white border. Let me see if the kitty cat does. Yeah, the cat does as well. But some of them don't have a border. I saw some earlier, but all those do. When I find one, I'll peel it. I am going to go through every page, nice and slow, so you can see all the images. They're so pretty and so fun to look at. I'm just going to put some music on, and I hope you enjoy. Moby Dick. They have some book plate type stickers. This one's Oscar Wilde, the picture of Dorian Gray. I like the ghost. This is fascinating. Jane Austen. Okay, so this is a whole sticker. Pretty. Now these pages are very intriguing because they sort of hide little stickers in here. Oh, look at the two people. This is one big gigantic. Oh! Or you could use the inside. I did not realize that. Beautiful. As you can see, there are tons, and well, they said 1,000, so that is a lot. That is tons of stickers. Look at those cats. I think the cats are my favorite. They also did another book on eyeballs. Just eyeballs. Maybe I'll order that one day. I don't know. I'll see. The House of Mirth. Flowers and poetry. Beautiful. I like how they do the alphabet, and then when they put in like the letter like J, they have Joker, Jump. This is nice by Louisa May Alcott, who did Little Women. I'm not afraid of storms, for I'm learning to sail my ship. Okay, kissing. And I like him too. He chose to wear that. It's crazy. Aww. I like all these. These are beautiful. Magic Mouse, M. Okay, now this book also did these. These, I love these. These are, let me see. This one, I want to use it so bad because it's super, super cute. It's this little bear. But then if I use it, it'll make me sad because I've used it. So I don't know. I'm going to use the bear one day. So these, I don't know what are in these. Let's see if we can figure it out. Maybe it's another bear. You don't know till you peel it. What is this? Oh, it's a woman. An angel. Oh, it's a woman reading a book. That's nice. I like the bear better, but this is nice too. Keats, Ode to a Grecian Urn. I remember that from college. Ooh, love this page. Dracula, Bram Stoker. Listen to them, the children of the night, what music they make. Aw, it's nice. All of them are nice. The day will come when you'll be sorry. Unicorn, up as a tree, umbrella, you or you. The raven, vulture and volcano. I love the color wheel. I wish they had more color wheels. I would use that a lot. Pickle. Pickle person. That's nice. Oh, now we have numbers. That's nice. Did this one have numbers? No, this one does not have numbers. Volume 2 has numbers. Look at this 7. And I guess the octopus 8. The end. Odd dot. Super beautiful book. Super happy. If you want to get this book, I do not think you'd be disappointed. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time on Sugar Hiccups. Bye-bye.